typical Bedalian would be friendly. I think, yeah, an important thing is that they'd be willing to speak their mind, and they'd be willing to raise their own opinions and have a debate with anyone about what they believe in.
Bedales as a whole looks very much at the child, at the pupil, at the student, and every student is given the opportunity to develop the way they want to develop.
I prefer this school to most schools because most schools you have to wear your own uniform, but here you can just choose whatever you wear and whatever's comfiest. It is structured, but it's not structured like most schools.
I like golden time because sometimes we get to sit outside on the benches when it's a really nice sunny day and we get to draw.
What Bedales was from the outset with Badley, and has continued to be, is independent in the genuine sense that it's an institution that thinks for itself, that makes decisions not in terms of what's going on in other places, but in terms of what's right for this place and what's right for the students who are here.
The BAC is the most innovative education tool.
It gave me an opportunity across the whole board, so from geography to outdoor work. It gave me the opportunity to pursue my own interests within the subject rather than just a set syllabus, which is so much more interesting.
We would never tell any of the kids how they should think. That's not what we're about, or what they should feel. What we try and say is, here's a situation, what do you think about it?
What Bedales teaches you is how to think. I mean, really think, debate, scrutinise, question, argue over what's been taught.
Something that I've appreciated about myself at Dunhurst is that the fact that you have to appreciate your work and try new things before you actually say you're bad at them.
From a practical point of view, what it certainly let me do was to find out what I could do well, to try things, to experiment, to question, and not to feel a failure if something didn't work.
Informal collaborations in all sorts of areas, music, drama, outdoor work, a very important part of what goes on here.
Because you wear home clothes, because you call your teachers by their first names, you can turn around to sort of your housemaster and say, look, I've got a really big problem, I was wondering if you can help me with that. And it doesn't matter if it's with work, if it's with your social life, if it's with your home life, you can talk to anyone about anything.
It really allows me to see my teachers as people on a level status, which is really important here. So I see my teachers as people that are genuinely wanting to help me.
I can be me here rather than the role of a teacher.
When I was here, everybody respected each other's opinions, values, listened to each other, took notice and understood that you could be different.
By being here, it's really taught me how to be much more independent, and you can see it in all my friends as well.
And the school is really good in giving you that confidence to go and kickstart whatever job you want to do, whatever career you want to do, be it a conventional job or maybe not so conventional. I mean, it forges the confidence inside you to go and do what you want.
So what have they gone on to do? Well, just such a wide spectrum of things. And Bedales has prepared them for that. It has prepared them to have a go, to try things, and very often succeed.
To sum up Bedales in one sentence,
it's still my school.
Creative community with a family, nurturing environment.
Listen to what your heart tells you to do.
Being yourself.
Totally brilliant and completely bizarre.
I certainly feel like I'm back at home, which, what more could you ask for?